all set, and they're away and racing for the Division 2 of the JV Shukla Ashwamitra Trophy. Missing the kick, the Thundering Star. Matey's Pride on the outside is the leader from Encouragement on the Wells as the past 1,000-meter marker, 2.5 lengths behind Ponyta. On the well, their Kiss Away very close behind Star Legend, being tracked by Walking Tall, making a forward move on the outside. 3 lengths behind there is a War of Attrition. Mischievous Trot is on the outside as they head towards the 600. 3 lengths away in the rear is Thundering Star. Up the 600 now, Matey's Pride is the leader, being chained by Encouragement in second place. In third, Ponyta on the well, Kiss Away, Walking Tall, Mischievous Trot is a turn for home. Round the turn and into the straight, Matey's Pride on the inside, and Link comes in on first. From Encouragement, putting in a run in the centre. Ponyta is coming up on the outside, 3 lengths behind there. Kiss Away after that is Walking Tall, but it is Encouragement on the inside, Link. Half a length on the outside there, Ponyta. Kiss Away is only getting a little bit closer. Mischievous Trot is warming up on the outside, but Encouragement has got a break of about a length and a quarter in front of Ponyta. Kiss Away is in third, but Encouragement from Ponyta. Encouragement, Ponyta. Encouragement, Ponyta. Encouragement, Ponyta. War of Attrition, Encouragement it is. War of Attrition, Ponyta. Then there's Kiss Away,